Hey guys, Cece back with another video, and today's video is going to be a review on the brand new Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate. Your first time watching me or my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also, make sure you click the little notification bell so you can always be notified for all of my future videos, because you never want to miss a single upload. Also, you should be following me on Instagram at Yvette Loves Beauty, and subscribe to my family vlog channel right here on YouTube at Bradley TV. So before we even jump into the video, I know someone's going to ask about this makeup look. My very next video is a review and wear test on the very foundation that I am wearing right now. So make sure you look out for that. Once it does go live, I will make sure to link it in this video for your viewing pleasure. And one more announcement. I'm so sorry about the lighting, you guys. I am in all natural lighting today. So I'm trying to see if this is working. So if it doesn't, let me know if something's off, but I think the sun's a little bright right now. It just full-blown brightened up. So hopefully this lighting is okay for this video. But anyway, we're gonna jump into it. I actually have my October Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate, which I have not even opened yet. And then I have my October Boxycharm sitting here. This video was only supposed to be about the glam bag, but since the Boxycharm is sitting here and I haven't really pulled the products out and dug into them yet, I figured I'd show you guys that as well. And I figured you wouldn't mind, okay? So we'll start with that. Here is the Boxycharm for the month of October. This was not a Boxy Luxe month, so this is just a regular Boxycharm, but I think they are coming out with a Boxycharm Premium. So instead of the regular $21 a month, it's going to be $35 a month. You guys know I'm a huge advocate of Boxycharm, so the link is down below in my description box. It's always down there if you guys are interested in signing up, but I love my Boxycharm. You guys already know that. And actually this month was a really good box. They redeemed themselves. I actually haven't been loving the Boxy Luxes, to be honest. I like them, but I haven't been loving them. So I might just cut the Boxy Luxes all together. We'll see. I don't know. I'm talking outside of my neck right now, but then the next one will come and I'll be like, oh, just give it to me. So we'll see. But this is just the normal Boxycharm box. So let me show you what's all in the box. So the first thing is this Luna by Luna eyeliner, and it's in this blue shade. Who's really wearing this eyeliner? Because I am not. It's in this powder blue shade, and it's a highly pigmented Easy Glide pencil eyeliner. $16 is what this costs. So this already almost pays for the box, which is one thing I love about Boxycharm, that you definitely always get your money's worth. The next thing that it comes with is this Tarte Pro Glow liquid highlighter in the shade Stunner. I have one of these Tarte Pro Glow liquid highlighters, so I'm not going to swatch it or anything because I'm probably going to give this away, but this is what it looks like. These little liquid highlighters are actually really, really nice. Tarte does these very, very well. So again, this is in the shade Stunner, and this retails for $29. Moving along, we do have a lip product in the box, and this is from the brand Iconic London. This is their lip plumping gloss in the shade Love Struck, and it just looks like this. I'm definitely keeping this and plan on using it as a lip topper. I love those lip plumping glosses because they stay on your lips for a longer time. And this one actually retails for $26. That is a lot for a lip plumping gloss, but Iconic is not a cheap brand, so there you have it. Super excited about the last two items. This one is the Touch in Sol Glassy Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. I've heard about this, but I don't know. I haven't given it much thought to pick up, but I'm so happy it came in this box because I'm really excited. First of all, this packaging is gorgeous. This retails for $32. This packaging is everything. So let's look at it. Okay, now the sun wants to go down. Y'all, they playing with me. See, that's exactly why I don't mess with natural light, because it be doing too much. Like, now the sun want to come back up. See, that's what I'm talking about. But anyway, so this is, yeah, the Glassy Skin Balm. And this is how it looks. So we're just going to open it up. Oh, it's like a little cream. Doesn't leave a grease film or anything on me. What exactly is it supposed to do? It's an ultra hydrating priming. Oh, it's a primer. Ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. I don't know how much I can wear that, but I can definitely use it in like some tutorials or videos here on YouTube. So let me know if you guys want to see this. And last but not least in the box is the Dose of Colors Marvelous Mauves palette. I have this same palette in Baked Browns, I think it's called. And so this is the mauve version. These shadows are really, really pigmented. The ones in my other palette are. So I'm assuming this is the same shadow quality, but this is what it looks like. And they're just all versions of mauve-y shades. So very, very gorgeous. And I'm excited to do a look with this palette. So altogether, I paid $21 for the box, and the entire total comes to $135. So that is $114 worth of extra product that I got. All right, so what I'm sure you all came for is the Ipsy box. This is the new, I think it's the first one of the Ipsy Ultimate, or the Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate. I think that's what they're calling it. So I haven't opened it. It's still taped shut, but we're going to open it right now and see what's in it. I ain't checked my email. I ain't tell them what I wanted or nothing, because I wanted to be surprised and see what type of stuff is in this box. You guys know Ipsy, in my mind, always falls short to Boxycharm, and I was actually going online to cancel my Ipsy bag until I saw that they had a Glam Bag Ultimate. Now it's $50. I think it's a monthly thing, actually, not like Boxy Luxe where it's every 3 months. I think this one's a monthly thing. 50 bucks. Yeah, it's expensive. So will I be keeping it? I'm not will I be keeping it. I'll be keeping this box. But will I be continuing to receive the Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimates or any Ipsy Glam Bags? That all depends on this box, okay? First of all, I think subscription boxes are amazing for building up your makeup collection, especially these huge boxes where you get so much stuff in it. They're amazing for building up a makeup collection if you do not already have a vast collection. For me, I already have enough stuff. I really don't need to have subscription boxes, but I like to see what's out there. And for this box, I wanted to get it because I wanted to talk to you all about it. I knew I wanted to make this video. So let's just start talking and see what's in it, okay? Okay, we're opening it up right now. First look at it. Let me show y'all. Here's our first look of the box. So we're gonna slowly pull things out and go through everything one by one. You do still get an actual little bag, a little pouch. You guys know that's kind of Ipsy's thing. They give you a bag every single month, and so I have a million of these Ipsy bags floating around my house, but they make great like travel companions if you just want to throw something in here, not even makeup related, but you can use this as like a pen case or something like that. So really cute. So that's that. Let's see what's next. I pull out the first thing I see. First of all, I think Ipsy and Boxycharm give me pharmacy products. They love pharmacy. I'm actually in the middle of using a pharmacy cleanser right now, and I actually do really like it. But pharmacy is a really good brand. You know what it's missing? Wait. I'm missing the little card that tells me all the products that are in it. They don't have a little card in here. Okay, so that's one thing that they don't have in this glam bag. But this is a huge thing. What is this? This is the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. That's nice. Okay, that is nice. So I can always use a new makeup remover cleanser. Now, I don't know how much this is because again, they didn't put the little card in the box, but this is a huge thing. And knowing the Pharmacy brand, this is at least $30. I guarantee you this is at least $30. Oh, it's like a nice little teal mint, like a mint green. Has a nice little smell there. Okay, okay. That's a good product. That is a very good first product. Ipsy, we're on a good start. Okay, so they do have a few little small products in here, like non-full size. This is the Sila by Celine Tedrisi. This is the creme de la creme, the very best cream. It looks just like a hand cream. Yeah, it looks like it's a body cream, it says. Luxurious body cream formulated with Canadian botanicals, some type of butter, and some type of oil to richly moisturize. Refreshing orange and grapefruit essential oils leave skin decadently scented. So that is a cute little cream that I'm actually gonna put in my purse for a hand cream. Not worth the $50 because I have plenty of hand creams, but let's continue on. The next product looks like it's a lipstick by the brand Context, and it's in the shade Sweet Emotion. Let's see what it is. So this is what it looks like, just black packaging. And ooh, that's pretty for the fall, right? That's a really nice like spice color for the fall. Okay. Okay, she cute. She cute. Let's keep going. I have some more little guys in here. This is called this is a mud cream mask by the brand Eggplant. So that just looks like that. And then I have this little the Clean Lab AC Dew Foam for crystal clear and flawless dewy skin. So this for dewy skin doesn't sound like it's for me, but we can definitely try it out. All right, we have some sheet masks in here. This is the Natural Shea Butter Mask Sheet, and this one is the Natural Avocado Mask Sheet. So I do have two more sheet masks. I really do love sheet masks. They are, they're just awesome on the skin. Like, your skin feels so good and so refreshed. If you have not tried a sheet mask, try one. What else? This is the Real Chemistry Environmental Rescue Essential Day Cream. Like little stuff like this, I hate when they give me in the boxes just because they never get used. They don't. Like, I'm gonna put together like a package and send it to somebody or give it to somebody because I have so many of those little samples and then I just end up keeping them until they throw away. I do sometimes take them with me for travel, but I don't know. I don't need that. We do have an eyeliner. This is the Betty Boop and Ipsy Drawn to Your eyeliner, and it just looks like a nice ooh, I love me a good felt tip eyeliner, honey. Oh, she's good in black too. Oh, that's a good one. She's gonna be used because she is good in black. Yes, and matte, honey. Oh yeah, we're gonna use that one. Organic lip balm. This is by the brand Lasting Smiles, and it's in the shade Peach Blossom. So that just looks like that. And then we have 3 more products left. First one being this by the brand BioRace. This is the Serum Sun Hydrant. That don't come in. Oh, okay. It's the hydrating treatment serum. All right. I'm like, that don't come in in English, but it's the hydrating treatment serum. It's an all-day hydrating serum for moisturizing and improving skin complexion. This is another one that I probably won't use just because it is hydrating, but I guarantee this probably cost about 30 or 40 bucks. I would put money on it that this is probably like $30 or $40 moisturizer. So, I mean, you are paying for the box at that point. I still just haven't been wowed yet, you know? So last 2 products, this is a brush set. A little, what is this? A 3-count brush set. Not that I need any more brushes, but I have a brush obsession, okay? So this is a 3-count face brush set. And the first one, this is a stippling brush. It does not feel stiff enough to do foundation with, but I could definitely see myself maybe doing some like cream contour with it. I could definitely see myself trying to work with it with that. This, I don't even know what this is. It's just called a straight brush. I don't even know what you would do with something like this. Maybe, I don't know what you would do with something like this. To be quite honest, I have no ideas. And then this looks like a really pretty bronzer brush. This is called the Cheeky End, and I could totally see myself bronzing with this brush, or even dusting on some blush. They're really soft too. Okay. Last product in the box. Now this makes me smile. This is the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions little mini palette. You guys know I have an obsession with these palettes. She actually just came out with new ones, and I have already like 5 or 6 of them over there, and I can add this one to my collection. Ooh, ooh. Those colors are right up my alley, y'all. Oh my God. If you guys have been watching me, then you know my obsessions with these palettes, because they're highly pigmented and they're so small. So they're perfect for traveling. And I mean, these are just so beautiful. Like, you can find some really great colors. There's colorful ones, and then there's more like neutral ones, like this one. There's cool tone neutrals, there's browns, there's mauves, there's topaz colors. So many different palettes. Like, these are the best product in my opinion that Huda Beauty has come out with. I love these so much more than her full size palettes. Okay, you guys, so that is it. That's the entire box. Do I think it was worth the $50 a month? I think the box paid for itself. I do. Would I get it again next month? I'll probably try it for 1 more month, and then I'm going to let it go. No matter how good the box is next month at that point too, because I just feel like a lot of these products I keep getting, while they may be good products to other people, they're just repeats to me. And I have so many of them, like I don't need another sample. I don't need another hand cream. I don't need another lip balm. Honestly, at this point, I don't even need another skincare product, because so many skincare products also come in these boxes. So I might check it out for 1 more month, just because I'm nosy and I want to see how they follow this month up. But after that, I will probably be canceling it regardless. And to be quite honest, as much as I love Boxycharm, I think Boxycharm might be on my chopping block list also. As I think through just how much stuff I have, I really want to make it through some of my products, and that's not happening getting a gang of products every single month. So that's kind of where my head is. But the stars and the standouts for this box, definitely this Pharmacy cleansing balm. So excited to use this. These sheet masks, because I'm in love with sheet masks. And then this Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette. So those are the standouts for me in this box. The rest of the stuff they honestly could have kept. Oh, that liner looked really good too. But other than that, the rest of the stuff they probably could have kept, to be quite honest. So yeah, that is it for this video. Let me know if you guys like to see more of these. And yeah, that's all. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me and my channel. And I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye, you guys.